Hello, welcome students. My name is Uday. One of the common question of students who enroll or plan to enroll for CFA Level 1 is how and what should I study to pass CFA Level 1 exams and score 90 plus percentile marks? With this video, I'll try to answer this very question for folks who have opted or plan to opt for CFA Level 1 exams. Before I dive in details, a note of caution to the listeners. I'm sharing my experience purely for informational purpose and should not construe any form of guarantee of scoring 90 percentile marks. If you feel the video is informative, do like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Do comment with your valuable feedback and suggestions. Feel free to contact me if you need online live coaching, support or teaching sessions for CFA Level 1 studies. Contact details are mentioned in the description of this video. Basics. Let me walk you through few of the basics do's before you start studying for the curriculum. You should love the world of finance. Curiosity will help you easily absorb information from the topics that you study. How early should one start? Give yourself at least 5 to 6 months prior to the exam. This information should be used in the conjunction with the fact that I did not have any finance background, and for me, most of the CFA 1 level curriculum was new. There might be students from the finance field, and those students might require lesser time. Needless to say, more the time you allocate for the preparation, the better it is. Plan your study. Prepare a study plan. This can be done by allocating time working backwards from the exam date. At a high level, at least ensure you plan how many days will you take to complete a topic from a book or a specific exercise. The details I present in the next slides will help you with sequencing in terms of topics, mock exam sessions, or practice sessions. What did I study? What was the sequence I used during my studies? I started with studying from Kaplan Schweitzer books. Few may call it notes as well. All the topics, including module quiz and topic assessments, were covered. One of the important points to mention was that ethics was the last topic I studied. Have a habit of making notes or marking important points from the summary section, tables, formulas, and explanation provided in the solution while you study. Post that, I went about solving CFA Institute practice problems that are provided at the end of every topic for all the topics from the curriculum. These are available in the reading material that you get from the institute post you enroll for the CFA Level 1 exam. Remember to pay attention to the explanation provided in the solution to these problems. Once completed, solve all the examples and practice problems for the ethics section from CFA reading material. This is a must as this will give you good insight to various scenarios and application of ethics. Make notes on various scenarios and logic used for answering questions related to the ethics section. Then I moved on to the CFA Institute online question bank for every topic. The online questions I answered were set in a mode that showed correct answer and explanation post every question I attempted. This will serve as a fruitful revision and a rating exercise. You should then go on to read materials on topic that you do not do well. With readings completed and problems solved, you are now ready for mock exams. I suggest you start solving papers during the last 3 to 4 weeks before the exam. Ensure you take this practice exam in a non-stop 3-hour format, similar to how the actual exams are held. Some questions might take more time to complete, whereas some questions will take lesser time. Make sure to keep track of time every 30 minutes so as to pace the paper. Once done, study reasoning for answers that you got wrong. I first took the Kaplan-Schweitzer practice exams, which is a total of 8 papers. I scored somewhere between 68 to 76% in these exams. Then I went for CFA Institute mock exams, which is a total of 6 papers. Here I scored somewhere between 75 to 80%. I believe that the reason for improved performance here is the fact that you read through the study materials and also the practice problems. 1 or 2 days before the exam, I suggest reading the ethics section and related examples. Also go through the notes that you have marked during the earlier exercises. Exams are scheduled to start early on a given date. You are expected to reach an hour earlier to complete the exam formalities. Try to have at least 8 hours of peaceful sleep before the exam day. If possible, I suggest do not keep anything to study on the morning of the exam. Keep calm and best of luck. If you feel the video is informative, do like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Do comment with your valuable feedback and suggestions. Do contact me if you need online live coaching, support or teaching sessions for CFA Level 1 studies. Contact details are mentioned in the description section of this video. Thank you.